mining. Cause
Bum,
why not?
bum, bum,
Yeah,
bum,
so
bum,
it's my friend.
bum.
We're gonna go mining in sewers
Today,
because
we're
I'm
back
kind of
in
broke.
another video. God, Yaka. 2015 intro. Okay.
I have 0 friends. He's just somebody.
What?
If
Yo,
sewers
you have
is scary for you, hit the subscribe
You have
button.
0. No, bro. Sewers is not scary.
I know. If sewers is scary for you, oh, they patched it. Yeah.
Cool. Oh yeah, they patched it. Now you can't like climb up there anymore. Meow,
Yeah.
meow, 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 meow.
So I'm here for research points. He's here for whatever.
I'm also here for research points. Give me those nuts. I want those nuts, bro. Bro, give me the nuts. Why are you taking all the nuts for yourself? What?
It's him.
I'll kill them right now.
Look, it's him.
Killed it. Come over. He's gonna die.
So be careful. I'm here for the green one. So
Killed it.
I'll leave the nuts for you. Okay, I'll leave the nuts for you. I don't mind everything else. Oh yeah, if you're behind something, the real grandma can't see you. Oh wait, if I do get like enough of these, I can like, I can buy these plants.
I
Alright,
got some nuts, bro. I got
nice.
some nuts.
Take that flashlight. Take the flashlights over here. He can't see you behind the wall. I'm so scared. Bro.
If I die,
Hope he died. I'm so scared. Alright, once you come back, once you come back, just jump back down. Your stuff is safe. If you are enjoying this video so far, make sure to subscribe, because I just made this video because I ran out of ideas. Alright, just head back just jump back down once you are gonna, wait, what?
right foot.
Okay, here you go. There's a flashlight for you. Wherever you died, the stuff is still there. How'd you die?
Yo, go shine the flashlight.
There's a flashlight right here.
You.
Yeah.
There it is.
There's some stuff you want. You can take. It's over here.
Got it. Got my
Good.
stuff. Meow, 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 meow.
What? I yearn for the mines.
You want to find me, buddy?
That is not fair.
Oh, give me that.
I died. I don't like this game. Who are you?
Who are you?
I just died. Wait.
I'm going to go back. Just want to check it out.
I'm recording a mining video right now. Alright.
You with the other friend?
Oh yeah.
Alright. Yo, tell me YouTube.
It's HH Cowboy.
Thank you. H2 Cowboy?
Just two HH Cowboy.
So 2 H's?
Yeah.
Yo, I'm gonna add you.
Alright. If I die again, I'll accept it. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, make sure to subscribe and like the video. And be like that
I'm
guy.
gonna look you up right now.
Dude, you better subscribe or I'll find you.
Yo, who's there? Who's there?
Did you die?
No. I'm not. Okay. You trying to kill me?
Where you at?
Yo, that's my stuff over there. That's my stuff. Don't take it.
Did you die?
That's my stuff. Over here. No, I didn't take it. But who is that?
He was some guy who joined. I think it's your friend. Great.
Not my friend. I haven't called anyone.
Oh, purple. Oh, I got Ruby's point. Nice. Applesauce. Alright, bro. I reached my goal in this video. I got a research point. Alright, let's trouble on the ceiling. You can mind the rest if you want.
Sure, my grappling's up there. My grappler. Oh my god.
Okay, I got a
How am
research.
I falling?
Where's your grappler? Right there?
Oh my god, no.
I'll get it for you.
Fucking oh, that's so annoying.
Hey, don't curse it. There.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna go end my video. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe.
And make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you back
I wanna mine these.
You took all of them. How do you feel?
Alright. Guys. Alright, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna go get the box fan. Yeah. Oh, why did you do that?
Oh my god.
Alright, I'm gonna go run into this.
You better not run into that, bro. You're gonna die.
I'm gonna end the video. Oh, I died. Okay.
He died. Cooked.
Now I'm gonna get the box fan.
I mean, bro, thanks for the grappler. Yo, mom.
You can have it, bro. Alright, I'm gonna get the box fan. The video is gonna be over. If you guys like the last YouTube short I
Yo,
posted,
thanks for the grappler, bro.
you're welcome. I am gonna grab a grappler, so it'll be easier, and a hoverboard. I feel like a accomplished actual YouTuber. And where is it gonna be? Whoa. Got brighter in here. Whoa. So next, looks like up there. Did I drop it? Excuse me for that. Despicable language. Come on. Okay. I think this is it up here. No? Where'd it be? This is the backpacks. Oh! Okay. What is this? Oh, there's a new umbrella? I'm not getting that today. What? What is that? Mega broccoli? There's broccoli down here now? But I do think that is up here. let's go achieve the box fan. And yeah. No! I need you! Uh-oh. What are you?
You there? You there, bro?
I'm trying to find the... Yeah, I'm here. I'm trying to find the box fan. That was a box fan.
I'm gonna call one of my friends, okay?
Alright. What could it be? I actually have no clue. That's... It's my hoverboard. Oh, is it up there? Put up here, hopefully. Should be right here. That's 5, so definitely not here. What is that? Nut shredder. What is this? Where is it? Is that it? No. What? I'm so confused. Is that it? It has to be it. Yes! I found it! Yay! Let's see how this bad boy works. So this is how the thing works. Oh! So to make a... I did see... Ah! Look up. Uh-oh. Ah! Look back! I guess we forget I got the grappler. Guess we head back. Oh, this is actually really fun. I wonder if it has to... Wait. I think it doesn't have a time limit, doesn't it? Let's head back. Let's test this thing out. Alright, so yeah, it's right there. I am gonna favorite it. And guys, is anybody still here? Greenness. So be like the guy who just joined and subscribe to my channel. Hope you guys enjoyed. Join my fan code HH Cowboy. Yeah, join HH Cowboy. I'm in HHG. That's not my fan code. But joining HH Cowboy if you want to be like in one of my videos, and you get to choose what we will do like a mining video with you or a money making video with you. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, and also join my fan code for free RPG. My friends don't count because they're my friends, and I want you guys have a chance. Dude, I'll be giving away.
H.
Yes.
Yo. H.
Yo,
H, bro. Don't take that grappler. It's mine. I have something to show you. Can you just step outside of the yellow line real quick?
Yeah.
Okay. It's in this blue backpack.
Yeah, it's actually pretty cool.
Oh.
Oh my god. Bro, I'm thinking about ending the video soon. Whatever we're gonna do is gonna be the landing.
Hands up. Give me one of the paper fans right now.
Okay. That's it. You may be very,
Hands up.
very angry.
Shit.
You're so mean.